Welcome, good morning. It is the 30th of June. We have a nice 32-degree day today, so early beekeeping. We are just going to do the split box inspection now. So taking a check, a split box, these are both swarm cells which were in colony number 3. And so I split them out, so this queen came out first, I think. Sorry, this queen came out second. This queen came out first on this side. So there seems to be more bees on this side. Maybe a reason? Don't know. Probably not. So let's get into it. Right. So this one. Let's stop this one down. New frames now. Okay, let's not use those. 1 and 4. So, not very many bees in here at all. Next up. Unless they're hiding away in between these two frames. Nope. Got an absconded. Oh, so she was mated, but she decided to leave. Yep, there are no bees in here. Right, empty box. Well, that was a quick and easy inspection, wasn't it? Okay, other side. Right, definitely more bees in this side. Drawing out new comb, which is good. Look at this frame here. Lovely drawn out frame. Plenty of nectar on there. Good. I might just turn that around so they can draw out the other side as well. Give them a bit of encouragement. You can tell they're building out so much wax, you can see kind of the white wax on there. Okay, good full circular brood there. You can see there are a larvae in there just about to pupate, quite flat and white. What the hell, girlies? Is that a supersedure cell in the middle of the frame? I don't have to be dealing with that. Oh, please don't tell me you've killed her already. Oh, and there's some like clay cuppy things down the bottom there. Unused. Oh, that's loaded. Unless that was supposed to be a... Not convinced now. Right, that's concerning. This was from colony 3, which formed and left formed cells. I mean, they've got space. I could put them in a bigger box, but I don't think they're going to need it yet. Okay, there's nothing around the outside, so we're looking now for swarm cells. That one's dried up. Probably an old one. And then there were eggs on that previous frame as well. Look! Why have we got supersedure cells in the middle of the frame, girlies? Have you honestly killed her? There were eggs in the previous frame as well. frame, covered in stores. Inside and drawn. Huh. Okay. So it looks like we have a supersedure situation where the queen might have been superseded. They put supersedure cells in the middle of the frame normally. We'll leave that way around then. But it says she is a newly emerged queen. She came out with a swarm cell. And yet we've got 1, 2, there's one over here, 3. I mean, they're all being tended to as well, so it's not as if they're old or dead or anything like that. Maybe for some reason Queenie died. Maybe it's the reason why there's no bees on the other side. Another look. And she's definitely mated, she's definitely okay. I mean, yeah, there are eggs. Eggs over here. And I said they're not swarm cells, they're not on the outside, they're not trying to hide them, they're smack in the middle. There's one here as well, wasn't there? Maybe it was this side. Yeah, it's there. Which is being, again, tended to. Okay, well I definitely can't see Queenie. There are signs of her. I think what we'll do is we'll carry on moving along to see how we do with the other colonies, and then I'll come back to this one in a bit. Right, so I've been through the rest of the colonies now, and this colony is the only one that's a bit funky. Let's just double check that we can't see Queenie because she has like supersedure location cells, which will be definitely frustrating. Can't see her on there, she is not marked. Half tempted to leave them with one then if that's the case. Right, can't see her on there. Can't see her on there. It's just the fact they're running out of space and they want to go. And there are eggs all the way out. She did come out with a swarm cell. Maybe it's just natural in those genetics that they're going to swarm. There they are. There's one there, there's two over there. Right. I'll let them keep one. I'll let them keep this one. Yeah, not convinced. Maybe they did actually lose Queenie. Well, good, at least you've now got one to play with now. I'm going to put you next to the other. Where was it? Yeah, I'm going to put it next to the other frame so that keep it warm. And next week we'll see whether we've got any eggs or not. Yeah, 'cause we've got eggs, and therefore the queen is still there, but I didn't see any eggs. So I did see larvae, but no eggs. So maybe she's gone. Don't know. Okay. Right. Well, that's it. That wraps us up for this was the double box inspection. One box has absconded, one side has absconded, the other one has not. So it's all good. So thank you for watching. Do comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, whatever the other options are. Do have a great day, and see you on the next one. Thanks.